Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I'm Artsy. Today we are going to go on an evening walk while we talk about some developments taking place in Jamaica. The UNDP, determined to end poverty and tackle inequality, is working on a 5-year plan for Jamaica in order to reduce multidimensional poverty. Now, what is multidimensional poverty? Multidimensional poverty refers to poverty that is measured not just by income levels but also by various factors such as health, education, and living standards. It takes into account different aspects of people's lives and their level of deprivation in multiple dimensions, rather than just their income. In other words, it looks at poverty in a more holistic and comprehensive way, giving a better understanding of the complexity and severity of poverty. The 5-year plan will focus on social and climate resilience, safety for citizens, and the sustainable use of natural resources. The program is also set to be implemented in the Bahamas, Cayman Islands, Turks and Caicos Islands, and Bermuda. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith reveals that this ambitious plan pays special attention to issues with crime, poverty disparities between rural and urban areas, the gender equality gap, which refers to the differences and disparities between men and women in terms of access to resources, opportunities, and rights, and the social protection systems, which refers to the policies and programs put in place by governments and other organizations to support people who are in poverty or at risk of poverty. The project will even go as far as providing greater accessibility to broadband services in poor communities while promoting equitable human rights and fostering gender equality with its judicial reforms. The UNDP has a clear aim to support the attainment of the Sustainable Development Goals by strengthening resilience. Its main purpose is to put an end to poverty and bridge the inequality gap. Number 2, the St. James Municipal Corporation, SJMC, located in Montego Bay, Jamaica, is embracing a green revolution to bring the Charles Gordon Market up to speed with sustainable goals. Once equipped with solar panels, they should be able to reduce electricity costs by an estimated $12 million annually, while helping Montego Bay Metro to switch to electric buses, which are more energy efficient and cost effective. The project's budget is estimated at $270,000 with $100,000 partially funded by the Japanese embassy. Although the funding is secured, the procurement of the correct type of solar panels demanded by the embassy has delayed the project. Deputy Mayor Richard Vernon, who leads the SJMC's Infrastructure and Traffic Management Committee, stated that while the donation from the embassy will not cover the entire cost, the SJMC will seek additional funding and welcomes all contributions to complete the solarization project. The municipal corporation is committed to revitalizing the bustling market. The first step is to install solar panels, reducing the carbon footprint while aligning with sustainable development goals. Thereafter, the gun court and main building will be upgraded to ensure vendors and shoppers have an optimum experience. This dream of full redevelopment hasn't been easy. However, the municipality is determined to make it a reality. To support this vision, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development has dedicated $60 million towards the project. Walk through there, so? Because you can walk through it to get to the other side. it's a connecting. I'm not the only one who uses it. I think other people use it as well. So it's just a walkthrough. Yeah. So there are number, see, Harbor City, not Harbor City, Howard Cooke Boulevard over there. So it's like a easy. Seems like I want police. I don't want to go under, so a pharmacy used to be right there. And Sagicor Bank is right there. This is ultrasound. See it here? And you're now outside. And there you have Harbor City Shopping Center. Right? And Howard Cooke Boulevard in front of us. I'll try run and cross the road. See Harbor City Shopping Center there. You can actually see they put glass up in it.